So let us look at the actual tool itself for all the four products. We begin with the first tool, which manages the risk associated with users and risk associated with the role in SAP application. SAP applications are generally SOX specific because they have finance and purchasing and master data in them, and that's why it makes them SOX specific. Um, how do we kickstart? What is the transaction to kickstart that particular tool? It is called RAR, Risk Analysis and Remediation. The transaction is /n/versa/zvret. Which will bring us to the screen. So you select SAP R3 system, the system where you want to run the risk analysis. You can select one of these roles. So generally, you can select auditor, security administrator. There are various roles provided by the system. This is how the GRC dashboard cockpit looks like. Now, there are two options. Either you can run the risk analysis on user, or you can select this particular selection box and do the analysis on role. How are this different? So user risk analysis is done when you are assigning a role in production manually to a user. Role analysis is done when you are building a role. This is generally done in development system. The user analysis is generally done in production system. The role analysis is done when you create a new role and you want to check if that role by itself does not have any SOX issues or segregation of duty issues. So that is the time you will select this. There are some more options. You can do a analysis on user group, and you can also do an analysis on profiles. There are various levels of risk. Risk can be critical, high, medium, low, as defined in the organization and as recommended by the tool. These are various report types. There are SOD at transaction code level. There is SOD at authorization object level. These two are the most popular ones. Now, it is recommended to run the report at authorization object level because that gives less false positive compared to the one that we run at SOD at transaction code level. In an ideal scenario, you should have both SOD at transaction code level and at authorization object level clean. But if you have to run just one, it's better to run at authorization object level. There are other reports like critical transactions. So how many times the critical transactions were ran in last month or last quarter or last year, and how were they monitored, who ran them, what was the purpose, what was the work order number, who was the requester, who was the originator, was it associated with a project or was it only a support task. You can also check for critical roles or profiles if any changes were made to them using this particular tool. And you can also look at mitigating controls which are existing in the company as of now. So those are some of the options in the report type. Also, the report has various formats. There is a high-level executive summary report which you can get. The default is summary report. Then there is detailed report and there is business view, and we will look at each in the upcoming slides. The report is generally run on Dialog users because the system users generally have higher level of access compared to the dialog user, and we are more worried on, when it comes to segregation of duties, we are more worried on the dialog user rather than the system user or communication or service. We are going to exclude the logged users and the expired users because they no longer have access to the system, and we are also going to exclude the expired rules in order to make the report run faster and also the report be accurate. There are multiple rule set. So the tool does provide you to build different rule set if you want to make different checks. 99% of the times it's just a single rule set which is used, which is global rule set. But however, if you want to have different regulation for different country and if you want to cater to them, you can have a rule set for Mexico and another rule set for Asia and another one for North and South America, North and America, USA and Canada. So that's the functionality does provide that feature. Um, so next we'll look at some of the examples of conflicts. Let's break this session here. Thank you.